Arthritis is a word used to describe disorders that affect our joints and cause pain, swelling, stuffiness, and decreased ability to move. It's caused by overuse or simply by degeneration of the joints. There is, however, more than one type of arthritis. The most common types are osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, psoriatic arthritis, and gout. All of them cause extreme pain, which is sometimes described as life-changing. The pain can be managed by watching what you eat. There's not an actual diet for people with arthritis, but today we're going to learn about 7 foods you should avoid if you suffer from this disorder. Salt. The medicine that is prescribed for arthritis causes our bodies to retain more sodium, which will in turn affect how our joints swell. As we eat salt, our bloodstream will absorb more water than it would normally, causing our joints to become inflamed. Any canned, frozen, or ready-made meals will have this effect on our bodies. Dairy. No matter how good it is for our bones, it can still have negative effects on arthritis sufferers. The protein can cause your tissue to become irritated, so it's better to turn to plants for your protein. Sugar. The sugar found in processed foods creates unbalanced insulin levels in our bodies, triggering our immune system, which responds by causing swelling. Be careful because processed sugars can have several different names. Nightshades. Some people have noticed how their knuckles throb every time they eat eggplants, tomatoes, or peppers. This happens because nightshades, eggplants, tomatoes, peppers, potatoes, and even things like cayenne, paprika, and tobacco contain alkaloids which can promote inflammation in certain individuals. Carbs. Any white flour products, white rice, white potatoes, and certain cereals are refined carbohydrates. They stimulate inflammation in our bodies and consequently worsen arthritis. Gluten. Gluten triggers our immune system, damaging our small intestines and causing joint pain, so you might find relief by adopting a gluten-free diet. Oil. Oil and fried or processed foods contain toxins called advanced glycation end products. They increase the oxidation and inflammation in our bodies. Steer clear of any foods containing high doses of omega-6 fatty acids. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.